This tutorial will show you how to navigate the Chem lab at SMU site and how to optimize your YouTube settings. Finally, how to get the most out of these videos will be discussed. First, when you get to the Chem lab at SMU site, click on the subscribe button in the top right of the screen, which will bookmark the site. To be notified of any changes or additions to the channel, you can also click on the bell icon to the right of the subscribe button and select all. Next, look at how the site is set up. There are three basic sections. The first section is Lab Foundations. Here you will find a video describing the lab equipment as well as videos on significant figures and dimensional analysis. The next section is dedicated to Chem 1113. Here you will find videos for all the labs in this course. You will need to click on the right arrow to display experiments past Experiment 4. The last section is dedicated to Chem 1114. Here you will find videos for all the labs in this course. You will need to click on the right arrow to display experiments past Experiment 14. To optimize the quality of the video, and this will be important to see some details in the photographs or video, start an experiments video and click on the settings icon, which looks like a cogwheel in the bottom right of the screen. Select Quality and then 1080p, which is high definition. If you would like closed captions, that is printed words on the screen, click on the CC button to the left of the settings button. You can also turn closed captions on and off by typing the letter C. While you are watching a video, you can pause and restart it by clicking the space bar of your keyboard. Sometimes you may want to review a part of the video. You can move the red line on the bottom of the screen to the position you need, and you can see where you are with the small thumbnail screens that appear, and then press the space bar to continue the video. If you find the video helpful, please like it by clicking the thumbs up icon below the video. Appropriate comments are always welcome in the public comment section. Now, some helpful tips on maximizing what you get out of the videos. These will help improve your understanding of chemistry concepts, as well as maximizing your overall grade. Before starting each video, please read the purpose, discussion, and the procedure. These are all in the lab manual for each experiment. You should complete the pre-lab, which consists of 8 sections. A detailed example of this is given in Appendix 3 of the lab manual and is also detailed in the syllabus. You should complete the homework at the end of each lab, and of course, ask questions and get help during any office hours that are offered. Right before you start the video, clear your workstation of any distractions. Allot up to 2 hours of uninterrupted time to complete the lab. That includes watching the video and completing the lab report, with the conclusion and error analysis. Make sure you have the following available when you start the video: your lab manual, some sticky notes so you can mark the pages and flip back and forth between the procedure and the data pages, a calculator, and a writing instrument. During the video, watch the video, and you can pause and restart as necessary when you are reading a piece of equipment or recording a value or completing a calculation. And you can pause and restart by hitting the space bar. You'll need to actively watch and listen. You may want to highlight important points in the procedure or write down tips that are given in the video. Complete the calculations from each part completely before you advance to the next part. And watch the video in its entirety. Directions for the conclusion and error analysis sections are given at the end of each video. After you finish watching the video, complete the conclusion and error analysis sections as directed in the video. Make sure the data pages are complete and all calculations are shown with answers and units. Submit the report as directed. Allow for plenty of time for unexpected delays, such as an internet outage or poor internet speed. And always, if you have questions, ask your instructor during your lab section.